Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are staying safe at your home. So, in the previous video session, we have discussed about the importance of business environment and the external and internal environment components. So, today we will start with the dimensions of business environment. It refers to all those external forces which have distance relation with the business and influence all enterprises almost in the same way. So it is also called the macro environment components and also called dimensions of business environment. So if we talk about dimensions of business environment, it includes components: economic environment, social environment, technological environment, political environment, legal environment. So let's start with the economic environment. Economic environment refers to the economic factors that can affect management practices in a business enterprises. So economic environment are those components which are directly affecting the economic management practices in the business, which affects the economic condition of a particular business organization. This is what we call it as an economic environment. So it includes interest rates, inflation rates, changes in disposable income of the people, stock market index, and the value of rupee. Example: low longer term interest rate increases the demand of homes and cars. Rise of disposable income leads to increase the demand for the products. High inflation rate increases the cost of the business. So these are some of the examples of the economic environment components and how they affect the businesses. Components of the economic environment are existing structure of the economy in terms of relative role of private and public sectors, the rate of growth of GNP and per capita income. So economic environment means which are economically affecting our business enterprises. This is what we call it as a economic environment. Then money supply in the economy, agricultural and industrial production trends, BOP and changes in foreign exchange reserve, rates of savings and investment, all are the components of economic environment. If we talk about the impact of economic environment, so what will be the impact of economic environment on the business? Creating numerous opportunities and threats for various enterprises. For some businesses it is opportunities, and for some businesses it is a threat. A decrease in the bank interest rate significantly increases the demand of products and vice versa. A rise in the income of people leads to increase the demands of the products. High inflation rate generally result in constraints on business enterprises. So अगर लोगों की इनकम बढ़ जाती है तो प्रोडक्ट्स की डिमांड बढ़ेगी. अगर बैंक का इंटरेस्ट रेट डिक्लाइन हो जाता है तो लोग होम लोन्स, कार लोन्स ये ज़्यादा लेने शुरू कर देंगे. सो फॉर सम इट इज़ हैविंग अ पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट, फॉर सम इट इज़ हैविंग अ नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट. Then come second component, and that is social environment. Social environment refers to the combination of all the characteristics, social forces of the society in which the organization exists, the customs and traditions in which the business is existing, values in which the business is dealing, social trends, society's expectations from the business. So because business is the creation of society, business is the creation of society, so they have to take care of all these things, the we can say customs and traditions of society, values of society, social trends, society's expectations from the business as well. For example, if we talk about traditions, define social practices that have lasted for decades or even centuries, such as Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, etc. So in the season of Diwali, we can say that businesses grows very much. Values refers to the concept that a society holds in high esteem, such as freedom, social justice, equality of opportunities, national integration, because each and every person is free to choose whatever they want to use. Social trends present the various opportunities and threats to the business enterprises. Then comes the social environment components includes attitude towards products, innovation, lifestyle, that how the society will accept the innovations, how will society accept the technological upgradations. Then in social environment it includes concern with the quality of life, expectancy, expectations from the workforce, shifts in the presence of women in the workforce, birth rate and death rate, educational system. So all these are the components of the social environment which affects our business. Then impact of social environment of business. वो कहते हैं कि अब सोशल एनवायरनमेंट का बिजनेस के ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा. It creates numerous opportunities and threats for various enterprises, like we can say McDonald's. McDonald's when enter into the India, or when they have launched their retail outlets, they come with the beef burger, and the beef means गाय का मांस, and our tradition, our values does not allow, because we worship the cow. So it is a threat. It was a threat for McDonald's. So you should come with such kind of products which will fulfill the need and want of the society. Traditions provide significant financial opportunities for greeting cards companies, sweets and confectionery manufacturers, tailoring outlets, and many other related business. So these are some of the impact of social environment of the business. Then comes technological environment. Technological environment refers to scientific improvements and innovations relating to various business activities, such as new ways of producing goods and services, new methods and techniques of operating the businesses. So it includes, we can say that, latest technological advancements. So it includes modified the ways in which companies advertise their products. Retailers have direct link with suppliers who replenish stocks when needed. Manufacturers have flexible manufacturing systems. Airline companies have internet World Wide Web pages where customers can look for flight times, destination fares, and book their tickets online. So in present scenario, if we talk about COVID-19, each and everything is going technological. Each and everything is going digitized. Each and everything is going online. So that is what we call it as a technological environment. Components of technological environments are like technological advances in computers and electronics, lasers, biotechnology, robotics, food preservatives, medicines, telecommunications, synthetic fuels. So all these things comes into the technology, as COVID-19 has given many opportunities to technology, to make our country technologically advanced. Then impacts of technological environment on business. Shifts in demand from vacuum tubes to transistors, from steam locomotive to diesel and electronic engines, fountain pens to ballpoint, from propeller airplanes to jet, from typewriters to computers. So these are all due to some technological environment. Then comes political environment. Political environment refers to the political conditions in the country and the attitude of the elected government towards business. यानी कि the ideologies of the political parties. Ideology of the political parties, it has a great impact on the business community, because how the political parties thinks, how the ideology of the different political leaders matters. Therefore businessmen must scan it constantly and carefully. Stable political condition, certainty of business activities, political unrest, uncertainty of business activity. अगर political government है जो वो stable रहेगी तो ultimately business will be stable. Agar if there will be political unrest, then business activities will also be uncertain. Components of political environment: the constitution of the country, prevailing political system, degree of politicization of business and economics. All these comes under the political environment. Impact of the political environment on the business: political stable builds the confidence among business, people to invest, we can say that, in the long-term projects for the growth of the economy. The attitudes of the government official towards the business may have either positive or a negative impact on the business. So we can say how political parties think, what is the ideology of political leaders matters a lot.